I'm Uncle Mark, welcome to the channel. Just driving around, wasn't even looking for stuff, and I spot a old Dodge truck. Well, it's not that old, it's in the 70s, sitting in a parking lot at a food store. Let's take a look. It's a Power Wagon. So this is what I saw in a parking lot. Color, of course, caught me. I was in a trailer. It's got to be a 72 to 78, I think. It's a Power Wagon. So kind of cool. It's missing some kind of an emblem to the right of that. So what I noticed right off, it's got the round headlights, so that's 78 was last year for round headlights. It's kind of a strange grille. I couldn't match that 100%. But I was looking at the stripe here. This is being repainted. I thought it was original because you see the gold there is separate from the black. Normally they would have had the factory stripe would have been black about an inch wide with the gold on top, and it would have been on top of the paint break. But this one obviously has been repainted. It must have been quite a while ago. Not even sure if this is originally what it looked like. It should have been something close to this. It looks better than it really is once you start looking. Lots of little pinholes in the body. Notice the tailgate too. I don't think that's the way the Power Wagon logo is supposed to look. But it looks fine. Look underneath here. Not sure which rear end this is, but it's there. There's non-original rims on it. Still neat. One thing I noticed is the leaf springs on the back of this thing. Look how many leaves are there. 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there 7 of them? 3, 6, 7. I think so. Obviously means sitting somewhere in the grass. Take a quick look here, but you can't really see. It's an automatic with the 4-wheel drive. Too much glare. Buddy of mine had a half-ton like this at one time, 2-wheel drive. About the same wheelbase. Got to drive it a couple times, but it sure had. Talk about power steering. You could just take the steering wheel and give it a little whip, and it'd spin around. So I figured, well, let's just maybe take a look, see if there's an engine in it, you know, without touching anything. So I just stuck it under there. It's like, yeah, looks like there's an engine, so that's got to be the V8. So it would have had either 318, 360, 383, maybe a 440, 400, I mean. 440 if this was a 74 or newer. That Power Wagon, the name should be wider. It should almost take that whole black up. And it probably would have been in the orangey yellow. Looking at the taillight, trying to figure out what year. It says 72. Those taillights look the same for a long time, so it's possible that they've been replaced, or maybe it is a 72. Anyway, it was just kind of interesting as somebody had just picked it up. Must have been taking it home somewhere. Sitting in a parking lot. Hopefully somebody's going to be restoring it. So hopefully you enjoyed this little video. Just I found it interesting. If you like these trucks, not that many of them around anymore. Especially in this color scheme, if that is indeed factory for this one. Anyway, you can give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Of course, you can subscribe down in the corner. And I do have other playlists. I'll pull one up here with a bunch of old cars, because if you watch this, and you probably like old cars. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now.
Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Testing. I'm Uncle Mark. Thanks for joining me. Just scouting some vehicles ran across when I was just driving around. I was in a parking lot in a store parking lot.